Hello everyone, and welcome back to our fashion channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to style oversized t-shirts. Oversized t-shirts can be a super versatile piece in your wardrobe, but they can also be tricky to style. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more update. So, we've put together some tips and tricks to help you rock this look. Tip number 1. Knot it up. One easy way to style an oversized t-shirt is to knot it at the waist. This gives the shirt some shape and shows off your figure. Simply grab the bottom hem of the shirt and tie it in a knot at your natural waistline. This is a great way to make the shirt work with high-waisted jeans or a skirt. Tip number 2. Tuck it in. If knotting isn't your thing, you can also tuck the shirt into your bottoms. This will also give the shirt some shape and show off your waist. This works well with high-waisted jeans, skirts, or shorts. Tip number 3. Layer it up. Another great way to style an oversized t-shirt is to layer it up. You can wear a cropped sweater or jacket over the shirt, or even layer it over a dress. This will add some visual interest to the outfit and make it look more put together. Tip number 4. Accessorize. Don't forget to accessorize your oversized t-shirt. You can add a statement necklace or earrings, a belt at the waist, or even a scarf tied around your neck. This will add some personality to the outfit and make it look more intentional. And there you have it, some tips and tricks for styling oversized t-shirts. Remember, fashion is all about having fun and expressing yourself. So don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.